Day 2 of Cars and Coffee. Bro, my Uber is so Gucci. Oh my god, it's shining too. How you going, man?
Yeah, good.
Oh, I'm good.
Did you struggle waking up?
Not as much as I hoped. I think after the first day of like Cars and Coffee, I just kind of got used to it. Like,
It's different though, because it's a car meet, it's not work.
oh, exactly though. They came very early. Wait, wasn't Jared getting his livery today, or is he just go? He probably went to the place
I think
to.
he went just to plan it out. Or
Yeah.
Just to confirm.
I have a feeling I know that thing too. Hello.
I guess I'll let these guys go first.
Yeah. Jared's already got the smokes in hand. I wanted to get his indicator going, but it. Oh well. Oh, is that Tony? Hey, it's Tony. And a McLaren.
What's Jared doing?
I think he said there was a side entrance. But that looks like the entrance.
There's only one entrance there.
Yeah. I don't know why we're going this way.
Come out this way.
Oh, those are steep.
Yeah, very steep.
I think we are Gucci. The look on Jared's face.
Hey.
Morning.
Good morning. How's my judgment?
Hello, brother. How you doing?
Hey, good, thanks.
Just calling at Volkswagen. You want to park just in there, right?
Yep, sweet.
Thank you. Look at this place. Oh, R32 Ryan's here too.
There's a bit of everything here.
There's so many classic cars here.
Look at the GCA.
Whoa!
It's so nice.
And the SS. Bro.
The EF Civic,
Oh,
the shuttle wagon.
Nathan's here too. Oh, that's Tony. A super clean spot in an old warehouse like this with awesome white floor. You filled it up with like a bunch of vintage, notorious, and even expensive new hypercars as well. There's like literally a genre for everyone here, including underground tuner. So guys, today we are at Super Mild in Moorabbin at Morris Moor, and as you can see, this car park is completely packed with amazing vehicles. I've never been to this car park before, but it is quite aesthetic, and as you can see, the lighting is perfect here too. It just reflects off the floor really well. This one is actually the same chassis that my friend Blake has in Canada. I've never seen one of these in Australia before, and it has the Suntory Boss Coffee stitch back seat, which is sick. This is a Civic Shuttle, a built R33, and even an Evo 4 club spec. How have you guys been?
That's really fun. That was good. How's the Skyline, bro?
Is that my dad still? I haven't brought it out yet, but I started it for the first time last week. That is dope. What the? Look at that. That is a carbureted Benz. I literally started walking and then I saw the Mr. Bean car cover. We drove past this earlier, but look at this build right here. The Suzuki Carry. Plymouth as well. That's sick.
There's a little Japanese, those little bikes, the Honda K-Car.
Oh, what's it called?
He's riding it.
Motor Compo? Oh, he's riding
Riding
it.
it. It's got heritage plates and everything. Like he fully rode it off the street in here.
That is dope. Oh yeah, that M3 plate's mad. Oh, he stopped. That Skyline.
Yeah, silhouette.
It has a Nissan Motorsport International wing. Those are rare. The dynamic front aero as well. It's like those active aeros where it extends out to give you less drag.
Yeah.
So I think this one might have it, but I don't think so. I don't think this is the one. Oh wait. No way. It has it. So this car has the silhouette active aero. So like, it actually like that. I can't believe I'm seeing that. Like, do that again. Thank you. Oh, it's cool. Yeah, see? So Dan owns this really clean silhouette. It's a GTS, I believe, with R31 house bits. And the original GTS-X active aero. It's got a turbocharged RB30 single cam in it, and it even has the Nissan Motorsport International wing on the back. So it is a very clean example, Australian built R31. That is sick. See you later. Oh, look at those taillights too. The 190E is still unbeatable though. What's really funny about meets like this is Ace has a newer Subaru Liberty, and all of the older generation are having a look at his car, which is quite interesting. We're having a look at all of their cars, especially the Gremlin we just saw before. This looks like a car that my grandfather had. He had a car similar to this as well. Watch out. Something I never thought I would see again is a Honda N1. This is a premium version, and these K cars, you don't see them much in Australia, but in Japan they were super common. So there'd be like a 600cc or something engine, I would assume. So that was an amazing event that the Classic Car Club of Victoria and Morris Moor had put together, and it wrapped up such an amazing weekend in the car scene. 2019 was probably the last major year that I could remember in the car scene, and to be able to return to two amazing and new IP events, it just really made my weekend, and I'm really happy that I got to experience that. But anyway, to wrap it all up, we got to see a lot of amazing cars. There were a lot of builds that I can note down that I really liked, and some of them didn't even make it into the video. There was a really cool and well-built GTR by XYZ Garage, but also being able to see some 1 in a million builds like that R31 silhouette, it just really made my weekend, and it is one of the reasons that I still attend car events to this day, because you never know when someone's going to come out with one of their most prized builds that they've been keeping off the street for ages. You never know just what's around the corner, and that's the best thing about car events. There's always going to be something new. It just depends on who wants to go to that event. But anyway, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, but just a little bit of an announcement. We are going to be having some major changes on the channel, and I will talk about it in a new video, but firstly, we have a new camera, which means that content is going to be increasing in quality, and I'm also going to be trying to upload in higher quality as well, so you might be seeing more 4K videos out on the channel, but I'll talk about that more later. I will let you guys enjoy your day/night, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.